Welcome to your favorite women's ethnic wear brand, where we specialize in bringing to you latest traditional styles and designs from around the world. Our brand is dedicated to creating beautiful and ethnic wear that celebrates the diversity of Indian cultures and traditions. From traditional gowns, long dresses to half saris, our collection is carefully crafted with the finest fabrics and intricate details. Our team of skilled artisans work tirelessly to bring you the latest trends and styles while also preserving traditional techniques and craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for an outfit for a wedding or any other special event or festival, or simply want a touch of tradition in your everyday wardrobe, it has something for every one of you.